Hello. If you observe children, even adults for that matter, if you have a point of view that you would like to share with them, the harder you go, the tougher it keeps getting in terms of your ability to convince them of your point of view. Many times, this is the fundamental mistake people make when they communicate their point of view, whether it's a selling situation, a negotiation process, a very simple talk with a spouse of yours, your relative, your colleague, your customer. The harder you go with the point of view, they normally tend to resist because their defense mechanism goes up and tells them that potentially there is something wrong. Why is this person really going hard in convincing me? If it is so good, why would I not take a conviction of that point of view at my own convenience? If you really are smart or you want to be smart, the best way is to offer suggestions. For example, if you want to share a specific point of view to another person, share it in terms of an anecdote or a success story of where someone else has done a similar thing. Never directly suggesting to this person, please do this. Instead, you can say, in situation one, person X did this. Would that be of interest to you? And sort of leave it at that. Even when you want to feed your children, or even for example, your pets, if you hold them by the neck and take to the food, they in all probability will refuse unless their life is in threat or danger. But the best is make the food good, palatable, leave it in their vicinity, allow the smell and aroma to work for them to go and pick up the food on their own. Your communication should be such that the aroma and fragrance around the communication is so powerful, intoxicating, that the person who listens to it would automatically get gravitated towards your point of view and follow what you say. Make sense? Thank you.